What if you could turn a crazy idea like Cyberpunk Chess into 3D models in a matter of seconds? Let's find out. Hi folks, and welcome back. As we just saw, turning concepts into highly detailed 3D models is now a reality thanks to tools like Tripo AI. In this tutorial, I'm going to take you through the workflow I use to create these chess pieces. You will learn exactly model creation, how I use Tripo AI to generate these unique, stylized cyberpunk chess pieces in minutes. Texturing, how I tackle the texturing process or the AI models achieving that cyberpunk finish. Engine integration, the quick and easy steps to export the finished 3D assets and bring them into Unreal Engine for lighting and scene setup. So let's get started. All right, let's dive into the Tripo AI website, and the link for it is in the description, so check it out. When you first arrive, you'll see the gallery, which is full of amazing 3D models generated by the community. You can browse through lots of different categories like characters, vehicles, and props, and etc. to get instant inspirations. If you click on any model, it takes you to the Overview tab, where you can see the model in 3D along with crucial details like the text prompt used for creation, the reference image, and more. Now, let's get to our project. I want some unique, high-concept cyberpunk chess piece for my animation. First, we'll jump to the Generation tab, and I'll make sure I'm in the one-click mode. We need this strong reference image, which I generated earlier using Gemini. Based on advice from the Tripo team, there are crucial manipulations we need to do on this image to achieve the best results. First, we need to crop the image so our intended model takes up the majority of the frame. Then, using Tripo's powerful Nano Banana assistant, I will input this prompt, turn the background white, adjust the lighting, and reduce the shadows on the main subject. This simple step plays the input dramatically, leading to a much better 3D model. Once the reference image is fine, I will quickly generate multi-views of my reference to give the AI more data. Now, for the crucial settings, I will set the mesh resolution to Ultra to achieve a highly detailed model, then turn on HD texture. Finally, since I want these models to be used and rendered efficiently in Unreal Engine, I will set the topology to triangle. And with that, we hit generate. The speed here is truly impressive, turning a simple concept into a complex 3D asset. Now, I want to briefly explain the other mode of generation, which is build and refine. In any case where you're not completely happy with the initial modeling or texturing, this is where you gain ultimate control. If you check the Generate in Parts option here, the model will be generated with different separable components. Why is this useful? Because you will then be able to texture each part of the model individually. And you can even refine the segmentation itself using the brush tool to ensure clean edges. Since we created our chess pieces using the super fast one-click mode, the model is already generated and textured. So I'm heading over to the Texture tab. Here, you have the power to completely regenerate the texture based on a new reference image or a new prompt. And by checking the HD texture option, it will retexture the model with higher resolution. But the really cool part here is the magic brush tool. As you can see, our model is in the right viewer, and we have a camera lock option. I will fix my view on a specific angle and lock the camera. On the left panel, we have the generation mode. I will define a new prompt to enhance the texture. I will keep it simple and type a metallic, highly detailed cyberpunk concepted chess piece. You can also precisely set the creativity level. It will quickly generate a preview. Now, with the brush tool, we can literally paint or brush onto the model to apply and blend that new enhanced texture based on these previews. This gives you a fantastic control over the final aesthetic without ever leaving Tripo AI. Beyond the magic brush, the texturing tab provides essential tools for production quality. If your texture lacks crispness, use the texture upscaler here to instantly boost the resolution and detail of your materials. Second essential feature is the PBR generator. By clicking this, Tripo AI automatically analyzes the texture and creates the necessary maps like normal, roughness, and metallic that are required for realistic lighting in modern game engines like Unreal. The best part? After PBR generation, we get these handy sliders for metallic and roughness right here. This gives us immediate control to fine-tune how shiny or dull the surface looks, letting us precisely dial in that metallic cyberpunk sheen before we ever leave Tripo. Now, let's talk about integrating these models into a highly professional workflow. Let's say we opted for the fast rendering triangle topology during the generation, but now we decided we're not happy with the automatic texturing results. We now want to texture the model ourselves using Substance Painter. The cool solution is right here in the Topology tab. For manual texturing, we need clean, uniform geometry. Here, we can convert our model's topology to cloud-based, which is the gold standard for clean UV mapping and professional work. We simply define our target polygon count to control the asset density and click Remesh. This single step makes the unwrapping process in external softwares like Ryzen UV super easy and eventually allows us to take the model into Substance Painter to do detailed, accurate PBR texturing. It's the essential bridge between the fast AI conceptualization and final production quality. Now that we have our finished textured Cyberpunk chess piece, it's time to bring this asset into Unreal Engine. I'm happy with the result from Tripo's automatic texturing, so I won't be using the manual Substance Painter workflow. Tripo supports various export formats, but I personally prefer FBX for its reliability in Unreal Engine 5. I'll choose FBX, give my asset a clear name, and then simply click Export. The importing phase into Unreal Engine is pretty straightforward. You just drag and drop the FBX file into your content browser and import it with the default preferences. Once imported, you'll see the mesh along with its related material instance automatically set up. The great thing is that even here, you still have control. You can tweak various parameters in the shader. For example, you can adjust the ambient color map weight to control the influence of the base color or fine-tune the intensity of the surface detail using the normal map weight. You can also easily control the overall shininess right here to perfectly match the lighting of our cyberpunk scene. This is a big step for new workflows now. Integrating Tripo AI into your pipeline allows you to transform raw ideas into game-ready assets for Unreal Engine in record time. It provides the perfect balance of speed and professional control from high-fidelity textures to clean PBR materials. Check out Tripo AI at the link in the description to start generating your own custom Tripo library and experience this workflow for yourself. If this breakdown elevated your project, hit like and subscribe to catch all of my future tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.